And look at, oh dude, so daggone pretty. Today, we're gonna tackle Crow's Peak in the Black Hills, South Dakota. Black Hills Part 2. Join me. I think my people are calling. They're calling for me. I have to go to them. Look at these trees. They're all white. And there's awesome landscape. So dope. I gotta give one little safety tip for today. See these rocks? Don't throw rocks down hills. You can hurt somebody. No, but seriously. Watch out for falling rocks, falling trees. There are tons of those here. Just anything else above you're hiking. Places where there might be stuff falling. You just gotta look up every once in a while. Be careful out there, y'all. So we have made it to the summit. Whoop, whoop. And there's even the moon. Hot diggity. What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me today at Crow's Peak. Wasn't too bad. I think pretty easy day trip. There's a couple parts that are a little sketchy, mostly accessible. Maybe not for the people that can't handle a little bit of elevation, but hope to see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, like down below and hit that subscribe to see my next travel videos. Just like time through an hourglass, I cast you end. No. Well, I'm a long, tall Texan. One day, white horse, he rides from